So here's how to make website using ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. Just go to chatgpt.com. So once you're in, you will get to see an interface like this. And if you're logged in, you will see your profile on the bottom left corner. If you click on the plus icon on the input field, you will see these options that you can use. And on the right side, you will get to see the available voice options. So for now, let's put in the prompt for our website. Make sure that you put in as much detail as possible and submit the prompt. Now, ChatGPT is generating the code for the website. Since this is a heavy work, it may take a while, so give it some time to finish up. So as you can see, the code is now ready. You can now see some options on the top. Click on Preview. Over here, it is now preparing the preview, so give it some time. Once it's done loading up, your new website will be visible right over here. You will notice that the buttons are interactive. You can now just export the code for your use or make any necessary changes using ChatGPT. And that's it. That is exactly how to make website using ChatGPT.